Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ali Hussain. So yes, I have two names, Ali and Hussain, so you can call me any of those. Well, that being said, today's video is about the challenge I posted yesterday. In today's video, I'll be revealing the answer for that. If you haven't tried the challenge yet, you should pause the video and try to get the answer before I reveal it. So let's get to it. So guys, the challenge was that you have to balance this piece of paper on in my case I got these two jars, but you can take anything, and the challenge was to put the paper like this, and then you should be able to balance water bottle over it. But you see, without anything it falls over. So the challenge was to be able to hold the water bottle without any support, and so I will let you know what to do with it. So now I will show you guys how to balance it without any support. So this is how you do it, but it didn't actually work as I expected it to. Anyhow, it managed to do the work. So guys, this is how you do it, and if you got the right answer, you can leave in the comments below, or if you find some other way, you can let me know in the comments below as well. And this was actually not as I expected. It's a little bit bent here, but I think it's because of the paper. It's wet, I don't know why. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe and like, and guys, stay tuned for new upcoming videos. They will be really good. I am really excited for those projects, and I hope you will like them as well. So see you soon.